Commercial and residential cleaning businesses can remind past clients to rebook cleaning with our new automatic reminder system. You can automatically send a series of texts, emails, and postcards to your past clients, and it's easy with our new software. In fact, I've already created the templates, written the templates entirely for you, and can automatically put them into your account. So let me go over and show you. Now, we've talked about a residential reminder series before, and I've showed you videos about that. So just for a quick recap, for commercial and residential, we have a series to be able to send reminders saying you've booked an appointment, thank you for booking the appointment, and we can automatically confirm the appointment with them through an email and through a text that says, hey, your appointment's at this time. After that, on the day of cleaning, we can let them know that we're coming at that time. We can remind them an hour before. We can remind them a day before. We can do both. We can do either or. We can also give them a thank you after cleaning that lets them know that we appreciate their business and to give us a referral and give them a link to getting a review. So this is also a review generation system. So we've talked about that before, and then we've also got a series through residential and commercial to be able to give them yearly emails and reminders, 6 months, yearly. The neat thing about this is it's all customizable. There really are no limits. If you want to send out reminders every 2 months, every 6 months, every month, every week, every year, it doesn't matter, but you can set all of that accordingly into the system. So after a year, it can automatically be set to let them know that we haven't heard from you in a year, a text and an email, and also even a postcard to be able to send them to that same effect. Now for commercial, we do have a system that we've just set up due to a few club members asking, can we actually have a system set up to remind clients every month for commercial? Now the neat thing about this too is if you don't want to remind them every month, they're all automatically set up for every month. If you want to do it every other month or every 3 months, all you have to do is remove the ones that you don't want to use. But all of these can be automatically loaded into your platform and into your system with basically an email saying, hey, it's been a month since your last cleaning, make sure you book something very friendly, giving you the phone numbers and even your automatic booking link for online. Now let's talk about that as well too, because several members and potential people thinking about doing this have asked, do I have to use your online booking with this software? The answer is no, you absolutely don't. If you love the online booking software you're using, you can keep using it. If you're using QuickBooks at all, you can easily sync that with this, and we're even able to sync this software with some of your current online booking software. So all of it's usable, all of it's doable. But the main thing is you can use the software that we're having for booking if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. So sometimes that's a good savings, sometimes it's well worth it, but again, up to you, whatever you want to do. Now what happens here is these emails, they go on for a year, and as the time goes by, after 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, it starts to get a little bit more urgent. Book now, quick and easy. After a little while, hurry up and book now. I can't believe it's been 5 months. I can't believe it's been 6 months. Your carpet, your floors are going, are getting really ugly. You need to call us. Which, by the way, too, I mentioned carpet and floors, but with a little tweak of the headline, the email itself could be used for janitorial, any type of cleaning business. All you need to do to change anything is just go in and take out the carpet and floors, or just your office. If you just do general cleaning, you can put that into the title here. Super customizable. Again, none of this is set in stone for any of this stuff. All of it is very customizable to be able to be changed. Very easy to use for any janitorial company or pressure washing company or any cleaning company. But the whole series goes on for a year, and it reminds them. And all that needs to happen to get this started is the client books an appointment and completes the appointment. Once that happens, a series of messages go through. Now what happens if the client books cleaning within that time? If they go back into the system, there's an automatic part of this that kicks them out of the repeat system, and it starts them back from scratch. So for instance, if they book an appointment, this works with both the residential and commercial, they book an appointment and they book it 3 months in, well, they're not going to get the month 4 email, it's going to kick back into going back to month 1 after 30 days goes by of the appointment. So very, very customizable, very, very, super useful, guys, and your clients are well worth it. Now, the question too is, how much do the emails cost? How much do the texts cost? The texts are on average a penny and a half a piece. Super, super cheap. A lot of platforms I've seen charge 10 cents or more for one completed text. So about a penny and a half. The emails, you can send up to 300 emails per day for free currently with the system that we're using for this. Okay. The other question is, how much is the software? Well, right now the great news is it's free to add coaching club members for a limited time. Now, mark my words, very soon that is not going to be the case. Very soon you will have to pay an additional fee to actually get access to this software. So if you want access, now is the time to sign up. Now, here's the truth, guys. I know of companies, cleaning company owners, that actually pay $100 to $300 per month for this level of software. No kidding. Okay, so the value that we're giving you with this for having it for free inside of the Ad Coaching Club it's a no-brainer to be able to sign up for this. Now, here's the thing. You do have to do a little bit of setup initially to get the software started. I will auto-load all of the templates into your system. However, the logo has to be changed. Your company phone number has to be changed. And then there's also a setup and a sync that you're going to need to do with the texting service that we use with this and with the service to be able to do emails. It's not a lot of work. If you're pretty tech savvy, you can figure out how to do it yourself. If you're not, you probably want to pay us a small fee to do that initial setup. But the great thing is once it's set up, it's done. How much is the initial fee? Depending on what level you want set up and how much you want it set up, usually about $100. Okay? And once it's set up initially, you're not continuing to pay that monthly fee. No kidding, no guys that spend $100 to $300 per month for this level of software, and they don't get all of the templates. They don't get all of the stuff that we're actually giving you with this. So it works with QuickBooks Online. It syncs with a lot of things, and it's really something that can help you remind your clients and set your automatic system on autopilot. So all you have to do is sign up for the Ad Coaching Club at the link below. Then you'll have full access to this software for free, for no extra charge, plus all of the ad templates, all of the training that we've got as part of the coaching club. Sign up at the link below this video now. If you have questions, shoot me an email at john@hitmanadvertising.com and let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want out of the software. Let me know whatever questions you've got about how to make this work for you. I'm always all about making all of this stuff work for you guys and giving you what you want to help you grow your cleaning business.